At one of the largest mosques in Europe, on the last day of Ramadan, a Jewish prayer is sung. If the Florida pastor made headlines with what started as a media stunt, this South London gathering of interfaith leaders and local councillors to condemn the threatened Quran burning was organised as a moderate answer. The Ahmadiyya sect are known for their cross-community links and tolerance. They are themselves persecuted in some Muslim countries, notably Pakistan, where Lahore worshippers were targeted in recent bomb attacks.
It is very unfortunate that from one person he can exercise influence over the whole world community. And one wonders if this is an end of a sorry chapter or the beginning of a new order.
I think you just can't be complacent about this sort of thing. Nazi Germany, what happened? Little things grow into bigger things, and you have to take action.
Do both of you feel that the whole tenor of debate about religion has sort of been hijacked already, that it is increasingly about the most shrill voices, the most extreme
I think
voices?
we allow it to. Those of us who, I'm not particularly big on media work, I just get on with what I do in the community, so I need to take some responsibility that perhaps people like me who just do the community work on the ground need to be a bit more proactive about making our way of being religious more available to you in the media.
At least 8,000 people attended Friday's service today, spread over several floors, ahead of the important festival of Eid tomorrow. And they all listened to a sermon discussing how to fight hatred with prayer. Events in the US have a special relevance here. Outside agitators, including the BNP, fought planning permission for this mosque for years before it was built. And the Ahmadiyya community is also behind Manhattan's Islamic Center near Ground Zero.
There needs to be more tolerance. And even, Christian groups, just like Islamic groups, we need to sort of interact with each other more.
I was really happy to hear a lot of the other Christian churches, etc., put press releases out condemning the act. But I do feel sorry for the troops out in Afghanistan at the moment and Iraq, because it's not positive on them.
Whatever they do to the Quran, they're not going to achieve much. And in a way, they're just trying to get us angry in a way, but other than be steadfast and pray, we can't do anything about it.
The gesture of fighting unreason with reason is a very British one. And for these Muslims, events in Florida and Manhattan resonate very much here in Morden.